Assalamu alaikum. I hope you all are doing. Today in this session we are going to learn about division. Division of 4-digit numbers and 3-digit numbers divided by 2-digit number or 1-digit number. Now, as you can see over here, we have a number here, means we have divided 469 with 8. Now, in this number, example, here the question is 469 divided by 8 is the question. Now, in this question, 469 is the dividend. Now, what is dividend? Dividend is that number or quantity which we are going to divide, and the smaller number, that is 8, is called the divisor. Divisor is that number by which we are going to divide the dividend. The number by which we are going to divide the dividend is called the divisor. Now, here I have solved this division sum. The 8, the divisor should be outside this sign. To divide any number, we need a sign like this. Now, 8 should be outside and the dividend should be inside the box because it is a bigger number. Now, when we divide 8 with 4, as we know that 4 is smaller than 8, then we cannot divide single number with the single number. We have to take the 2-digit number, that is 46. Now, 8 5s is 40. Now, I write 40 here. After writing the answer of, or you can see after writing the product 40, we have to minus or subtract the number. 6 minus 0 is 6 and 4 minus 4 is also 0. So, instead of 0, I have put cross over here, but you can also write 0. Now, 6 cannot be divided with 8. So, we have to copy another number, that is 6. We have 9 over here. So, we copy 9 beside 6, it becomes 69. Now, as we know, 69 does not come in 8 table, but we know that 8 8s is 64, the smaller number we have written over here, and then again we subtract. 9 minus 4 is 3 and 6 minus 6 is 0, so I put cross over here. Now, as you can see, I have already told you that dividend is a number which we are going to divide and divisor is the number by which we are dividing the dividend. Now, the answer which comes on the top, we write over here, is called the quotient. It's called what? Quotient. And the remaining number, now we cannot divide 3 further because we do not have any number to copy. So, this will be called as remainder. Remainder means the number which is remained and cannot be further solved. Now, let us practice another number of 4-digit number here, and then we have 2-digit. Now, which one is dividend and which one is divider? Yes, the bigger number, the 4-digit number is the dividend, which should be inside this box, and the smaller number, that is 13, the 2-digit number should be outside the box because it is divisor. So, we write 13 here and 5, 6, 4, 1. Now, how do we divide this 13 into with 5, 6, 4, 1 means 5641. First of all, you should make a rough column and let us write the table of 13. What is 13 2s are? 3 2s are 6, 2 1s are 2. Then divide 13 with 3, 9, 3. Then divide 13 with 4, 4 3s are 12, 4 1s are 4, 5. Then divide 13 with 5, 5 3s are 15, 5 1s are 5, 6. Now, as you can see, 13 5s is 65, which is bigger than 56 or greater number. So, what we do? We write 13 4s, that is 50, 2. 13 fours is 52. After copying the answer of the table, we have to subtract. So I write subtraction sign, this minus, and then we are going to minus 6 minus 2, how much? 4. And 5 minus 5, 0. So I put cross here. Now 4 is smaller than 13, so we copy the next number, that is 4. Now check this table, which is smaller than 44. 13 fours is 52, which is bigger than 44, and 13 threes is 39, and which is smaller than 44. So we write 13 threes are 39. Now how we will subtract? We know that 9 is greater number than 4, so we cannot minus 9 from 4. So we will borrow. Here it will be 3, here it will be 14. 14 minus 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 5 left. 3 minus 3 is 0. I put cross here. Now 5 is again smaller than 13. So I copy another number. How you will copy? You can also put the arrow like I did. Put an arrow so that you remember that how many numbers you are solving. How many numbers you have solved? 51. Now 51. Again you have seen that 51 is smaller than 52 here. Means 13 fours is 52, which is bigger number. So we cannot write 13 fours, we write 13 threes are 39. So 13 threes is 39. Again we cannot minus 9 from 1, we borrow from here. It will be 11, 2 and then 1. Now we have 12 number, and that is the remainder, because we not have any number left here. So we call it a remainder. In short form remainder you can write as R, and this is your quotient, and this one is dividend, and this one is divisor. Now again let us see this. 13 fours is 52, and then subtract, we get 4, we copy the other number 4 here, it becomes 44, and then we know that 13 fours is 52, which is bigger number, so we write 13 3 39, and then we minus, we get 5, then we copy other number 1 here, it becomes 51, then again 13 3 is 39, we subtract, and in the end we got 12 as remainder. Now let us solve another exercise. Now we have another number over here, that is 4082 divided by 62. Now in this, as you can see, the 4-digit number will be dividend, 62 which is smaller number will be divisor. Now let us do division. Here I have written 62 outside and 4082 inside. Now 62 is the bigger number and we cannot divide easily in your mind. So what we do, we first multiply 62 with different numbers to make a table of 62. I have written over here 62 twos is 124, 62 threes is 186, 62 fours is 248, 62 fives is 310. Now we have 408. Okay, and we cannot take two numbers 40 because 40 is smaller than 62. So we take three numbers all together. We take three numbers all together because 40 is smaller than 62. Now 62 multiplied 5 is 310. Now let us see 62 multiplied by 6. 2 6 are 12, 6 are 36, 37. Now 63, 62, 7s are 7 2s are 14, 7 6s are 42 plus 1 43, 434. As you can see, 62 7s are is 434, which is bigger number than 408. So what we'll do, we'll multiply or we'll divide 62 with 6. 62 6 is 372. Now we do minus 8 minus 2 is 6. We cannot subtract 7 from 0. So we borrow 10 minus 7, 3. 3 minus 3 is 0. I put cross here. Now we have 36. 36 again smaller number than 62. So we copy next number, which is what? 2. Now we have 362 number. Now check over here. Do we have any same number like this? No. 62 5s is 310 and 62 6s is 372. But 372 is bigger number than 362. So we take the smaller number, which is 62 5s, that is 310. 310. Now you are going to minus it. 2 minus 0 is 2. 6 minus 1, 5. 3 minus 3, 0. So 52. After this we have no more numbers. So what we'll do? This 52 will be the remainder. And where is the quotient? Yes, the top number, this 65 is the quotient. I hope you understand how to divide. Stay tuned for the next session.